In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog post on Shopify in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your blogging skills within the Shopify platform, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Shopify website. Shopify is a comprehensive platform that allows you to not only sell products, but also to share your thoughts, tips, and updates through blogging. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, the next step is to click on the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, making it easily accessible. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email address associated with your Shopify store to avoid any issues logging in. Following this, you will need to input your password. Remember, security is key, so ensure your password is strong and kept confidential. Once you've filled in your credentials, proceed to click on the login button to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Upon successfully logging into your Shopify account, you'll be taken to the My Store homepage. This page acts as the command center for your Shopify store, providing you a quick overview of your store's performance, including sales, orders, and visitor data. Now for the main event, blogging. From your Shopify admin dashboard, you should navigate to the online store section. This area is where you control how your storefront looks to your visitors, including everything from your site's layout to its content. Within the online store section, you'll find an option labeled Blog Posts. Click on that to move on to the next phase. Within the Blog Posts section, Shopify simplifies the process of creating content with a streamlined interface. To get started on your new blog post, click on Create Blog Post. This brings you to a new page where you can unleash your creativity and give your thoughts a structured form. The first order of business in creating your blog post is to add details. This includes crafting a compelling title and an engaging body. Your title should be catchy and give readers an immediate idea of what to expect, while the body of your post should deliver on that promise, providing valuable content, insights, or stories to your audience. Once you have your text in place, it's time to add images. Visuals are a powerful tool in grabbing attention and breaking up text, making your post more enjoyable to read. Shopify offers an intuitive interface for uploading images directly into your post, ensuring they are displayed precisely how you want them. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches to your blog post. This includes categorizing your post, which helps readers find related content, and adding tags, which improve searchability both on your site and on search engines. Once you're satisfied with your post, including all text, visuals, and metadata, it's time to bring your creation to the public. Before hitting that publish button though, take a moment to preview your post. Shopify offers a preview feature that allows you to see your blog post from the perspective of your audience, making it easier to spot and correct any issues. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and click on Save or Publish to share your blog post with the world. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create and publish a blog post on Shopify. Remember, blogging is a powerful tool to connect with your customers, share valuable information, and drive traffic to your online store. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content and styles to find what resonates best with your audience. I hope this guide has been helpful and demystified the blogging process on Shopify for you. Happy blogging, and here's to expressing your brand's voice and connecting with your audience in meaningful ways.